Hello friends, I am Sujit Jaiswal and welcome to a new video on Power BI. In today's session, we are going to explore the conditional formatting, just like what you are seeing on the screen right now. Alright, let's not waste any time, let's get started. Here we have created a matrix visual in which we have used the conditional formatting. In this visual we are showing sales agent monthly target achievement percentage for year 2024. Here you can see we have sales agent name, month number and their monthly achievement percentage. We have one more page with the same visual without conditional formatting. You can see the difference. This visual is more appealing and informative. In today's session we are going to create the same visual with conditional formatting. First, let's have a look at the data using which we are going to create the matrix visual. This is the data, friends. In this data we have date, sales agent name, target quantity, daily sales quantity and product name. This data is in CSV format. Let's import this data into Power BI. Click on get data. Click on text CSV, connect, click the file, open, click on transform data. As you can see we have already imported the data, so let's rename this file as _2, click enter. Next what we need achievement percentage, daily achievement percentage. For that we need to add one more field. For that, click on add column, click on custom column. We will name our column as achievement percentage, ACHIEVEMENT, achievement percentage. We need to divide daily sales quantity by total quantity. Click OK. We got the number in decimal. Let's change it data type to percentage. Now we have the daily achievement percentage. Next what we need month number from the date field. Click on date field, click on add column. From date and time group, click on date, then month, then click on month. We need month number. Let's close the Power Query window. Click yes. Let's wait for data to load. See, in this table we have date, sales agent name, all the columns. Achievement coming in decimal. Let's make it percentage. Click on achievement, then in formatting select percentage. It has changed to percentage with 2 decimal places. Next what we need to do is we need to copy this page. Let's duplicate this page, rename this page _2. Let's delete this visual. Let's add a new matrix visual. Let's resize it. Okay. Next what we need to do is we need to add fields here. In rows we will put sales agent name and in columns we will put month number, and in values we need to put achievement percentage. See, achievement percentage is coming as sum of achievement. Let's change it to average because we have daily sales achievement. We need to do the average. Let's do some formatting. Click on layout and style. Here select bold headers. Let's change the color. Column headers, let's make it 10. Let's change the background color. Next we need to change row headers. Make font, okay, one sec, let's make it bold. Next 11, let's make it bold. Let's change the color. Done. Next what we need to do, we need to add the conditional formatting. For that click on values and then conditional formatting. We need to add icons. See, we have some default values here, but let's start from the top. Format style rules, don't change it. Apply to values only. Summarization, average, which is good. See here, what field should we base this on? So we are applying the conditional formatting basis on achievement percentage, average of achievement percentage field. So we have some default values. We have R on category. Let me show you that. So if someone has overachieved, that means greater than 100%, we call it super green. And if it is greater than equal to 90%, we call it green. Greater than equal to 80%, brown. If it is less than 80%, red. Let's go to Power BI. Here we need to change it. If it is less than 80% and greater than equal to 0, it should be in red. If it is greater than equal to 80 and less than 90, it should be in brown. If it is greater than equal to 90 and less than equal to 100, it should be in green. See here, we don't have the option to show number greater than 100%. If we make it 110 or even 101, see, we are getting a warning sign. So we can't show percentage greater than 100%. Here we have some restriction. Let's click on OK. See, we have successfully applied the conditional formatting, but this is not coming in the right way. If we look at Arjun Patel, for Jan month, he has achieved more than 90%. It should be coming in green. Even the number which is less than 90%, it should be coming in brown, but it is coming in red. So the conditional formatting is not correct here. We need to find our own way to show the correct formatting. Let me show you how. Let's go to table view. See, here we have single number for daily sales achievement, but in the visual we are showing monthly achievement percentage. So what we need to do next is we need to find the single value for 1 month. For that we need to group the value by sales agent and month number. For this visual we need only 3 fields. One is sales agent name, second is month number, and third is achievement percentage. So let's go to Power Query. We are using this table. See, in real life we may need to create more visual using this data. So what we can do, we can make a duplicate of this table and rename this table as _1. We need to group by the data by sales agent name and month number. So first select sales agent name, then press Ctrl and select month. Then go to transform tab, then click on group by. Here we have sales agent name and month. If you want to add more fields, you can do so by clicking on add grouping. But we need only 2 fields, sales agent name and month number. Next, what we need to do is, this is our new achievement percentage column. So in operations, we will select average, and we want to do average of what? Achievement percentage. Since we have a field with achievement percentage name, so we need to give a different name. So we will call it as ACHIEVEMENT_percentage. Click OK. We need to change the data type, change it to percentage. Close the window. Yes. Let's wait for data to load. Now we have a third table. We need to create the visual using this table. So what we need to do is, first we need to remove the fields which we have used from the earlier table. Let's put the sales agent name here in rows, month in columns, and achievement in values. This is coming in decimal. We need to change it to percentage. This is coming as sum. Let's change it to average. Next we need to add the conditional formatting. Go to values, then conditional formatting, click on icons. Again we are performing conditional formatting basis on achievement field. Let's change the values, make it 80, greater than equal to 80, less than 90, greater than equal to 90, and less than equal to 100. Click OK. See, this time also we got the wrong conditional formatting. Even if we have a single value for 1 month, if we go to table view, let's select the third table, let's apply a filter, let's select Arjun Patel. See, this time we have a single value for each month. Let's remove the filter. Next, what we need to do? Like I told you earlier, we can't rely on default feature of conditional formatting in Power BI. We need to do some trick here. Again, let's go to Power Query. We will add a new field where we will show these categories. To add a new field, click on Add Column, click on Custom Column. Let's name it as Category. Here we will use if else. If achievement percentage is greater than 100%, one is 100%, then we will name it as Super Green. Else, if achievement percentage is greater than equal to 0.9, that is 90%, then green. Else, if achievement percentage is greater than equal to 0.8, that is 80%, then it should be in brown. Else, if it is less than 80%, then it should be in red. Okay, see, here we have a new field. Let's change its data type to text. Let's close this window. Click yes. Data has loaded. Let's go to table view. Here we can see this is less than 90, so category is brown. This is greater than 90, category is green. We have a overachiever also. Ravi Kumar has overachieved in June month, so it is coming as super green. So next we are going to use this field for conditional formatting. Click on the visual, go to values, click on conditional formatting icons. See, last time we have used achievement percentage to show the conditional formatting, but this time we are going to use the new field we have added. We need to click on all data, then we need to click on R table, using which we have created this visual. Here we have to select the category field. So in category we have 4 category. First one is super green. So if it is super green, then we want to show it as green upward circle. New rule, if value is green, then show it as green only. If the value is brown, then show it as brown. If the value is red, that is less than 90 or 80%, then it should be coming as red. Click on OK. See, we have achieved the right conditional formatting. Here values which are greater than equal to 90% are coming in green. Value which is less than 80% is coming in red. Value which is greater than 100%, green circle with upward sign. This is how you can achieve right conditional formatting in matrix visual in Power BI using this method. Let me tell you one important point, my dear friends. Even if you have created this visual by following this method, which I have shown you in this video, then also you may face the conditional formatting issue. What kind of issue? You may face like the conditional formatting is not coming correct. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to increase the decimal place. By doing so, you can achieve the right conditional formatting in the matrix visual. How? Let me show you. So here we have used achievement percentage. Increase the decimal place. Make it 3. By increasing it to 3 decimal place, if it is not coming correct, then you can make it 4. And you can go to format and you can decrease the font size to accommodate everything in one page. This is how you will be able to achieve the right formatting in the matrix visual. But in our case, it is coming correct even with 2 decimal place. So let's bring it back to 2 decimal place. That's all for this session. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.